Is that a good way to diversify then?
It is, because it's not tied to the market.
Gold has been stealing all the headlines lately, smashing past $3,600 an ounce. But here's the thing. Most people are missing. Silver is quietly having its own breakout moment. And some analysts believe silver could soar even higher, percentage-wise, than gold itself. Silver recently broke above $40 an ounce, hitting its highest level in more than 14 years. For years, silver lagged behind, frustrating investors who called it the forgotten metal. But now the tide has turned, and silver is suddenly back in the spotlight. Why does this matter? It comes down to something called the gold-to-silver ratio. Historically, gold trades at about 60 to 80 times the price of silver. Right now, that ratio is still much higher, closer to 85. That means silver looks undervalued compared to gold. If silver were to catch up to its historical norm, it would have to rise dramatically. And big money is starting to notice. Recently, even sovereign wealth funds have begun dipping into silver ETFs, signaling that institutional investors see value in silver as a strategic asset, not just an industrial commodity. At the same time, industrial demand for silver is growing thanks to electronics, solar energy, and new technologies that all require this versatile metal. Analysts are already setting bold targets. Many see silver retesting its old highs near $50 an ounce, last reached back in 2011. And if the gold rally continues, some even whisper about the possibility of $100 silver in the years ahead. So what does this mean for investors? It means silver is no longer just gold's little brother. It is a powerful diversification tool in its own right. For those who want exposure to precious metals with even more upside potential, silver may be the opportunity hiding in plain sight. And this is exactly where Golden Crest Metals can help. They provide simple, straightforward ways to hold both gold and silver in your retirement accounts, giving you balance and protection no matter how the markets move. You can get started with their free wealth protection kit today at freegoldkitnow.com. The bottom line is this: while gold is breaking records, silver is quietly positioning itself as the underdog investment with enormous potential. Don't ignore it. Diversifying with both metals could be one of the smartest moves you make this year. Take action now. Grab your free wealth protection guide from Golden Crest Metals at freegoldkitnow.com and learn how you can add both gold and silver to your financial future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest moves in gold, silver, and smart investing strategies.
Gold may be about to hit a huge super cycle. It's time to invest now.
Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, an original shark from the hit show Shark Tank. Whether you're looking to add a rare coin to your collection or secure your financial future by incorporating gold and silver into a self-directed precious metals IRA, Golden Crest Metals is here to help. And joining me today is the CEO, Rich Jacoby. Rich, thank you for being here today.
Thanks, Kevin. I appreciate it.
Awesome. And so the national debt is now, I think, $36 trillion, right?
Correct.
And what should people be doing about their future and with this, kind of uncertain financial future?
Well, 36 trillion isn't just a number at this point, as you know. It's growing. And right now, that's going to result in more money printing, higher taxes. So we're dealing with a volatile economy.
Right.
The one thing that people are looking at are precious metals because they've always stood independent of the U.S. currency and always surged.
Yeah.
So at Golden Crest Metals, we help people protect their personal assets through a 401k self-directed.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
So that's one of the things. People who want to work outside the 401k or IRA actually can do it having the metal shipped to their door.
Okay. You actually possess it in the process, right?
Correct.
Yeah, that's cool. So how big of a threat is inflation, and what can Americans do to protect themselves against that?
So inflation right now is the most serious threat to Americans right now. You have the erosion of purchasing power, a number of other issues that are happening right now with the global economy. Gold and silver are probably one of the best assets to invest in right now because they stand independent.
Right.
And they've surged I think gold surged about 39 points in 2024, and then silver surged as well.
39%?
Yeah.
Wow, awesome. So, Americans are dealing with all kinds of issues, but there's been lots of discussion about tariffs out in the market. How can people protect themselves against any potential tariffs economically?
So tariffs kind of act as a double-edged sword. They're supposed to create jobs and boost the American economy. But at the same time, those costs, increasing costs, are passed on to the Americans, which is an erosion of purchasing power, higher cost of goods, and stretching the limits. So right now, what we have to do is look at gold and silver as kind of a way to protect that.
There's a lot of challenges out there that folks have: debt, inflation, economic uncertainty. So a precious metals IRA could be a good solution to the situation that people are up against. What do you have to say about that?
I think it's a great solution. It basically takes a 401k or IRA and goes into a self-directed IRA.
Self-directed IRA, there you
Correct.
go. Right.
So with that, it takes your precious metals and it is stored at a depository for safekeeping through the 401k or IRA.
Yeah.
Now, like I said, you can always have the metal stored at your house if you want to work outside the 401k or IRA, but usually most people are doing the 401k and IRA self-directed to protect their assets.
Yes, good. So, when you think of the market, you also have to think of international pressures, the BRICS nations, Russia, China. These guys, what happens if they start stockpiling, some of these assets, gold, et cetera? What does that do?
It challenges the U.S. dollar.
It challenges the U.S. dollar, but not the precious metals.
No, because the precious metals have always stood out independent, it doesn't really challenge it, and it's always been able to stand on its own.
Oh, okay.
So,
nice.
And it's always surged in periods of inflation as well.
Right, there you go. So, Rich, for someone that hasn't invested in gold or silver yet, what is the reason why they should be thinking about it like right now? And number two, why Golden Crest Metals? Why is that the best option?
The best option is because of the volatile market that we have right now. The best thing to do is invest in gold and silver because
of the volatility.
The volatility.
Right.
And at Golden Crest Metals, I'm offering up to $25,000 worth of free silver on an approved purchase.
Okay.
Along with a lifetime of free storage with an approved IRA 401k.
Okay.
So with that, we're also unmatched on our pricing with the competition. So we're trying to give transparency and also give back to the community through these hardship times.
You've been dealing in this universe for many years, and I want to thank you for joining us today.
Get a free precious metals kit from Golden Crest Metals now by going to freegoldkitnow.com.
And got the info on how to invest. Making sure your choices are always the best. From bullion to coins, they'll put you to the test. With knowledge and guidance, you'll be impressed. Give me the gold, the glitter.